Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is kindness is contagious. Contagious means something that you can get from others, and kindness is when you are being very much kind. Okay, so the quality that you are going to have is kindness. It's the workbook unit number 4, pages 40 to 42. Today we are going to do the difficult vocabulary related to the chapter. The first one is lobby. It's a noun. Lobby is a large area inside the entrance of a public building. Means suppose it's a hotel or some place, some kind of building like school or any other area, any other building where people can meet and wait. It's a large area inside the entrance. When you enter a building like a hotel or a school or a hospital, there people where people can meet and wait. It's a large area, kind of having seats in that. It's called lobby. Sentences could be: they went into the hotel lobby. I'll meet you in the entrance lobby. Then we are going down the stairs to the lobby. Next word is stern. That's an adjective. It means very serious, not smiling, very strict. A smile transformed his stern face, changed his stern face. Journalists received a stern warning, strict warning not to go anywhere near the battleship. She gave her children a very strict look, stern look. Difficult vocabulary. Number 3, former. It's an adjective. Former means used to be or previous or in past. Okay, like something that used to be there somewhere or a previous one, that is called as a former. Our former manufacturing process was too costly. Former means previous. Remember? A former president is coming to visit our office tomorrow. Former means again previous or in past or used to be. Okay? So you can call, nowadays in normal language we call it ex-president. The former suggestion was preferred to the later. Former means the previous one, later means whatever was being presented afterwards. Next word is graduation. It's a noun. The act of successfully completing studies at high school. He is very excited about his graduation ceremony. When you are completing your studies, okay, maybe a 14 years degree, that's called as graduation. He is very excited about his graduation ceremony. Normally we do have a convocation in most of the universities. So that's called graduation ceremony. After graduation, she wants to travel around Europe. And we'll be attending 2 graduations this weekend. Commotion. Commotion is a noun. This means very much noisy confusion. A lot of noise and a lot of confusion, panic. She was distracted by a commotion across the street. Distracted means her mind was somewhere else by the commotion across the street. The commotion caused by the president's visit subsided in an hour. Subsided means went down, decreased. Next is the commotion backstage. Backstage means whatever is going on at the stage, back of the stage where the actors or the people were there, they created commotion. So the commotion backstage had brought the play to a stop. It was too much that the play had to stop. Number 6 is eased them. Eased is verb and them is pronoun. Led them smoothly without struggle means took them somewhere without struggle, helped them, comforted them. A decisive win would probably help to ease the pressure on the team's captain. Okay, if some victory is there, then team captain will be having a little bit less pressure on him. To calm his enemies, restrictions on the freedom of the press were first eased and then abolished. First, they have given the freedom of the press, and then they have stopped it. It was a strategy. This was a course of action which eased older worker out rather than kept them in. Asked them to go out. Monumental struggle is great struggle. Monumental is adjective and struggle is noun. Great struggle means a lot of struggle, a lot of problems they are going to face or they are facing. A monumental struggle to preserve Hagia Sophia in Istanbul was going on, where secularists and fundamentalists clash over restoring the nearly 1500 years old structure. Quite a long sentence, so you can avoid it, no problem at all. Pakistan's independence was won after monumental struggle. There is a monumental struggle for putting up a slavery memorial in London going on. The employee of the company still have to go with the monumental struggle to get their salaries, most probably. Now, these are not much, 7 only. So you need to note down all the words in your copy, their POS and meanings also, and obviously make one sentence for each. Allah Hafiz.